Hello, welcome back to my channel. The animation industry now exceeds billions of dollars. The demand is increasing day by day. Even some YouTube creators earns money online by making videos with very simple 2D animations. Today we will learn how to make cartoon animation with AI. So what are you waiting for? Let's join the billion-dollar animation industry. Even you are a complete newbie or can't run software like Blender 3D, no need to worry. Because we will make animation videos with AI. Our work will be only to give prompts and everything will be done by artificial intelligence. So, let's get started.
Before we begin, we need a story for our video for story generation. We will use ChatGPT. I am giving command for a short adventure story in just 100 words. I am generating a simple short video only for tutorial purpose. You can create more engaging and attractive story for your audience. All right, the story is generated. Now it's time to bring it to life with animation. For this, we will use a fantastic tool, which is Steve AI. Steve AI is a text-to-video maker that allows you to create animation videos from text. It's easy to use. If you are new to Steve AI, you need to create an account. Click on Sign Up for Free button, then create your account using email or Google account. After log in, you can see the interface of Steve AI. You are in Creator page. There are several options available here: text to video, text to animation, blog to video, blog to animation, audio to video, tweet to video, PowerPoint to video, URL to video, URL to animation. But today we will make animation video, so click on text to animation. Then select the video type. I'm selecting animation. Then select video ratio. I am selecting 16:9 ratio for YouTube. After that, select video category. I will select explainer video, then your video title. Once you are done, click on Create Sample Script. Steve AI create a sample script based on your story. Before we proceed, let's clear the default sample script. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the story you created and paste it to Steve AI. Good. Click on Next button to continue. Then you have to select the template. Now AI will generate visuals and storyboard for us. It is in process. It takes some time. Fantastic! Steve AI has generated scenes for our script. Now review the scenes carefully and make necessary changes according to your story. In first scene, we will change the background. First, click on Background Footage, then click on Change Background. Choose one of them which is best for your video. Now, I will change background color. I will click on Reset Color because I need original color of background. In second scene, we will change avatar. Click on Avatar. Then click on Change Character. Click on Treacherous Mountain. Select the avatar. Now, third scene avatar action is irrelevant to scene. We will change the avatar. Click on Avatar, then click Change Action. We will choose this action for our scene. I'll fast forward from this part for time-saving purposes, but I strongly recommend to dedicate enough time to editing. Quality editing puts a good impression on your audience. so give proper time for a decent editing. Excellent. We have completed the visual editing. Now we will add voiceover to our video. You can record your own voice in Steve AI, but I will use Steve AI Voice. Click on Add Voice. Now select your desired language, accent, gender, and voice. I will choose Jonah Voice. Click on Generate Voice. Click on Generate Voice. When video is ready, click on Publish. You can choose the size and format of video. When video is ready, download it.
Village, young Lily stumbled upon an ancient map leading to a hidden treasure. Determined to prove her worth, she embarked on an adventure through dense forests and treacherous mountains. Along the way, she encountered a mischievous fox who became her loyal companion. Braving numerous obstacles, they reached the fabled cave, guarded by an enigmatic spirit. To prove her bravery, Lily solved riddles, unlocking the treasure's location. Yet, the spirit tested her integrity. Choosing kindness over greed, she was rewarded with unimaginable riches and wisdom. Returning home, Lily shared her wealth, forever cherished as the village's hero.
It's quite impressive video with minimal effort. You can do it better if you give proper time. So, give maximum effort even you are making animation with AI. Okay, now upload the video to your YouTube channel and generate real money. That's it for today's convert text to video or how to make animation with AI tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep animating and stay creative.